hop from a dot slow, the nozzle on my Glock though. Turn your knob to a taco. Got a glow shop, they know cop and go. Nobody got a hotter flow. Rob your pocket for all of your profit, then I vominos. The Donna quote, spitting crystal meth, yes, who want smoke? After the verse, come the hearse and the pallbearers. Frauds on the wall, been the illest in all errors. Blue Benjamin's the root of all my endeavors forever. Keep a foot in your neck and never let up, always in the low get up. Only serving niggas I know, anything else probably get set up. I probably with Hector, talking prices. Dealing pies started off in slices. The Lord keep your thoughts in a vice grip. Blood dripping off of the pen tip when I write this. Fire, phlegm, spit, mouth can't see if you bite this.
The corner pocket watching niggas at it again. This the season where the gun clapper begins. Manny's tunnel cloth cut, Medina Enterprise, Italian Macon rags, Arab bomb rags, Hakeem sponge bath, rope path, Av acrobat, curve flipper over hard liquor, Heights fatigue armor, New York John Stark ya, St. Nas baseline, 40 waistline, cause he's still high off the Crooklyn glue. Broke niggas acting brand new, Instagram voodoo, Yankee Black Bambino, dictate you is ego, Ronnie PG Rose, Pimp Lingo, Slip Kingo, Eddie Smith so, been bowling since Suborganos, y'all know the vibes, drip star ties off literary archives, art and design.
Yo, 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 yo. 40 Ori, out of town trips, sour diesel dish, double up casino chips, gotta take risks, can't play like Wilson Fisk, master builder, bricklayers, infrared dot black lasers, back against the fence, commence a quick caper, cater food for thought, thoroughbred baker, braver, razor blade, sort of rusty head taker, pussy pink like a pencil eraser, yay, oil in a turkey paster, suit on my Jewish attorney tailored, shit pump like scabies on a sailor. I'm chinny loaf, got your bitch squeegee soap. Iceberg Nick, coat white like bird shit. I like some blurred pitch. It's history in the making, son. Feel me? Might just fucking push your DJ through the wooden table. You know what I mean? Drop an elbow from the turnbuckle right quick. Drop kick you through a fucking plaster wall. Fucking 6-figure aerial maneuver. Brilliant excellence. I mean, bitch, watch my eyes. Yeah, we out here. Smoking turbulence. I don't know what's just happening.